Nicola Coughlan showed off her chic sense of style as she arrived at a special screening of White Noise at the Soho Hotel in London on Friday. The actress, 35, wore a black mini dress with a white beaded design emblazoned across it. She was joined by fellow actress Emily Beecham, 39, who opted for smart but casual attire, wearing a royal blue jumper and a coffee brown satin skirt. She wrapped up warm in a cozy black coat with a grey sheepskin lining and wore a pair of black high-heeled boots. Emily posed alongside her actor partner Maximilian Beffert, 33, who looked dapper in a brown top and beige trousers which he teamed with a black jacket. Nicola's dress featured a low-cut square neckline, with a hem finishing high above her knee. Share follow if you make a purchase using links on this page. Mail Online will earn an affiliate commission. Embrace embellishment in Nicola's dress by Pallavi Mohan. £220 Not So Serious by Pallavi Mohan. Pearl embellished mini dress. Shop from Anthropologie. Buy now. Nicola Coughlan sparkled as she stepped out to a screening in London, wearing an absolute pearler of a dress. It's from the line Not So Serious by Pallavi Mohan and features beautiful drop pearl embellishment, along with some flattering puff sleeves. Hello, party season. The best news is at £220, this number won't break the bank, and the even better news is you can snap it up for yourself via Anthropologie. Style it with lace-up loafers a la Nicola, or with sheer tights and stilettos. Follow the link to make it yours, or embrace even more embellishment via the carousel. Now get one like it for less. Previous next £8,676 Oscar de la Renta crystal dress at Farfetch. Buy now. £40 St. Jean's pearl embellished blazer dress in black. Buy now. £65 ASOS padded shoulder open back mini dress, now reduced to £22. Buy now. £89 Coast pearl embellished jumper. Buy now. She carried a black handbag to match her attire and opted for a pair of matching flat shoes. The star confidently posed with her hand on her hip and opted for a makeup palette of natural hues to highlight her pretty features. White Noise is a 2022 postmodern apocalyptic black comedy film written and directed by Noah Baumbach, adapted from the 1985 novel of the same name by Don DeLillo. The plot follows the story of when college professor Jack Gladney and his family's comfortable suburban life is upended when a nearby chemical leak causes the airborne toxic event, releasing a noxious black cloud over the region that forces the Gladney family to evacuate. Also in attendance at the event was actress Sophie Cookson, 32, who wore a black mini dress with matching tights. She added a few inches to her stature by opting for a pair of high-heeled boots in the same color. The Kingsman, the Secret Service star, wore a long olive green raincoat and carried a black handbag with her. Actress Anna Schaffer, 30, looked stylish in a green and white striped shirt with a design of white lettering. She wore a pair of blue denim jeans and posed alongside writer Emma Louise Boynton.